David was a logistics officer, a good one. He led his teams, he managed complex supply chains, he executed missions under extreme pressure. When he left the service, he built his resume. He tried to show employers everything he had ever done. He listed every single duty, he listed every task, he listed every responsibility from his military career. He wanted to prove he was capable. He wanted to show he was ready for any challenge. He thought a long list of tasks would impress them with his versatility. He thought it would show his work ethic. The result was a resume that was long. It was confusing. It was ultimately weak. It read like a technical manual for a Swiss Army knife. A tool with 100 different blades and no clear purpose. Civilian recruiters, buried under stacks of applications, glanced at it and saw military jargon. They saw disconnected tasks. They did not see the leader. They did not see the problem solver. They saw a list. A list does not get you an interview. A list does not land you the offer. A list fails the mission. Your first move is to learn the enemy's language. That means learning the secret language of civilian job postings. Corporate recruiters use simple, common words that hide the real operational needs of the company. These are your intelligence reports. You must learn to read between the lines. When a job description asks for strong problem-solving skills, they are not looking for someone who is good at puzzles. They need a leader who can identify a developing crisis, think clearly under pressure, and execute a solution that works. That is what you did. When a posting demands a collaborative team player, they want someone who can set their ego aside, communicate clearly, and work with a diverse group of people to achieve a shared objective. This is the very definition of a military unit. You lived and breathed this every single day. The translation is simple once you see the pattern. Here are 7 core skills that every single employer is hunting for. You have them. You just need to name them. Number 1, technical proficiency. Number 2, critical thinking and problem solving. Number 3, clear communication. Number 4, multitasking and prioritization. Number 5, teamwork and collaboration. Number 6, leadership. And number 7, creativity and innovation. Your next step is to execute a clear strategy. We will call it Target Job Deconstruction, or TJD. This is your mission planning. Now that you have your target, you need the right weapon to hit it. That weapon is the CAR framework. Challenge, action, and result. This is how you will write every single achievement on your resume. Transform your experience from a passive list of tasks into compelling mini-stories that scream value. Each bullet becomes a tactical victory that proves your worth. Stop telling them what you did. Start showing them what you accomplished. This simple 3-part structure is easy to remember and brutally effective. Now, let's see how CAR works. Challenge. What was the specific problem you were facing? What was the obstacle? What mission was at risk? Make it concrete. Action. What specific, measurable actions did you take to confront that challenge? Use strong action verbs. What did you personally do to solve the problem? Result. What was the positive outcome of your action? What changed for the better because of you? Quantify it with numbers whenever possible. Numbers are a universal language. Example, instead of manage logistical support for training exercises, use CAR. Challenge. A critical supply chain delay threatened to derail a major training exercise for 200 personnel, risking a 25% decrease in annual training readiness. Action. I immediately built and executed a new logistics plan. I replanned transportation routes. I coordinated directly with 3 separate units to expedite movement of essential supplies within a 24-hour window. Result. The exercise was executed on time and on budget. The battalion maintained 100% training readiness. We prevented any loss of training funds. You can use modern technology to accelerate this process. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a powerful tool. It is just that, a tool. It is a rifle, and you are the operator. You must aim it. You must control it. Do not just ask it to write a resume. You will get garbage. Give it a clear, precise mission. Use a simple prompt pattern. Role context, example format. This gives the AI clear instructions to be effective. Here is the prompt to use. Role: act as an expert corporate recruiter and CV writer. Context: I am a veteran transitioning to the civilian workforce. I need to rewrite my achievements to focus on results and value. I am targeting your target job title role. The key skills from my TJD are: list the 5 to 7 skills you highlighted. Example: here is one of my military duties and the context. Paste your military duty and a brief explanation. Format: rewrite this experience for me. Extract the invisible value and write 3 different bullet points using the challenge, action, result framework. Use civilian business language. Remember, challenge, action, result. And to end, never forget to check the output. Never trust it blindly. Edit for truth, accuracy, and your voice. And a final message for you. In the ever-evolving world of technology, embrace artificial intelligence as your companion, a powerful ally on your journey toward a brighter future. And remember that with perseverance and an open mind, you hold the keys to limitless opportunities. You got this. Thank you for listening. For more videos, follow us at Ella AI Z4E.